Under the Second Republic, Zimbabwe continues to experience unprecedented transformation which cuts across the whole socio-economic and political spectrum. The last 3 years in particular have seen my government consolidating and entrenching our democratic culture, constitutionalism, the rule of law, and respect of private property rights. In this regard, our endeavors are driven by the imperatives of our national vision towards creating an upper middle income economy by 2030, which leaves no one and no place behind. My government remains desirous to make Zimbabwe a favorable investment destination where capital feels safe and comfortable. The broad economic reforms rolled out are now beginning to bear fruit. These have resulted in a conducive environment predicated on a private sector-led development approach. Due to the sound macroeconomic policies, fiscal consolidation, provision of the conducive tax regime implemented by my government, Zimbabwe has been declared by the World Bank as the fastest growing economy in our region, with an expected economic growth rate of about 7.8%. The high predictions are premised on our well-performing agricultural sector, firm international mineral commodity prices, stable inflation and exchange rate, as well as my administration's resounding success in containing the COVID-19 pandemic. The prudent, predictable, and business-friendly macroeconomic environment has fostered a growth in both local and foreign investments, as well as increased industry capacity utilization. The financial services sector is stable, with the auction system which is performing extremely well. Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, investment opportunities include in the mining, manufacturing, energy, agriculture, tourism, ICT, and infrastructure development. The market for the food and agriculture business in Africa is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2030. Investors are invited to ride on the favorable agricultural environment in Zimbabwe to tap into the African market, particularly in the context of the now functional African Continental Free Trade Area. My country enjoys a favorable climate which enables the establishment of viable cropping and livestock enterprises over and above the immense opportunities in the agricultural value chain industries. Investment opportunities in the agricultural sector include in irrigation development, agriculture mechanization, horticulture, agroforestry, and agro-processing. In the mining sector, Zimbabwe is endowed with vast natural resources and is host to more than 60 different minerals